What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a digital wall clock. So this is going to be a clock that you can use to put on your wall or on your stand, your desk, and it's going to give you a RGB digital display. So let's open this up so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you open this up, you get a few things. You're going to get your user manual and warranty information, of course. They supply you with a tape measure and some text. That way you can get this mounted correctly. Now, this is going to be powered by a power adapter. This is going to be a USB-A power brick. They supply you with that, and then you get this nice lengthy cable that you'll use to plug one end into the clock, the other end into the USB power brick. It does have a slot on the back of the clock, which has AAA batteries. That is going to be used to keep the clock's memory intact just in case it loses power. When you turn it back on, it'll have the correct time and your alarm settings. Now, to control the clock, they also supply you with a remote. This remote can be used up to about 32 feet in range, so you can control the clock from across the room if needed. Now, once you have this set up and powered on, it's really easy to set the clock. You have two ways. You can set it easily on the remote or by pressing the buttons that are on the back of the unit. On the remote, it's just simply by pressing the set button, and then you're going to choose your plus or minus to go up and down, and then you would continue on with the next setting by pressing the set button again, and until you have your clock set, your date set, and also how you read your weather temperature. Now, what's really cool about this clock is that it has two alarms on here, so you can have, say for instance, alarm for when you wake, or maybe alarm to let you know that it's time to go to sleep. Also, depending on which display you choose, because there are different colors for the actual display. This is going to be the blue one. Once you check out, you can choose the right color that fits you. There's also ambient light that displays under the unit. That's what you're seeing here. There's 8 different color choices. You can also choose them right on the remote. You have red, white, green, yellow, pink, orange, cyan, blue, and then you have a multi, and that's what it's on now. You can choose multi, and it just cycles through the different colors. Now, if you like things that are modern like myself, this is going to be a nice clock to display in your office, in your game room, in your gym, maybe your exercise room. You need a nice bright clock so you can keep track of the time. Also, what's really cool is it has a countdown timer or a count up timer that you can display. So maybe you're wanting to be, say for instance, in your fitness room for 15 minutes. You can go ahead and start that clock countdown from 15 minutes, so that way you can easily keep track of your time. Well, guys, this is going to be the digital wall clock. I think this is going to be great for any modern style space. It's also going to be a great gift. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.